I saw you, the camera is her. And Mr. R is beating my baby, grabbing my baby, beating my tail for no reason. Drop me down. That's like my biggest fear. Oh my, I'll be like, oh, my son going to school because to hear that baby screaming like that, I will beat everybody's ass. Like, oh. I know it took everything in her not to beat their ass because that's her baby. Like, as an autism mom, that is my biggest fear. Because they can't tell you. They're not going to be able to tell you. And shout out for that mom for fucking getting that camera in her baby hair because she knew. And it's like, oh my God. I will be. I can even watch the whole video. I can watch the whole video. Because, I mean, everybody is. I really hope